Hi and hello to one and all. Today I'm back once again with yet another group discussion topic. Abrogation of Article 370 will open the doors to development in Kashmir and Ladakh. Finally, the injustice of 70 years has been reversed. The fact that the whole life we thought that this was impossible, but the impossible has been achieved. Yes, Kashmir is integrated. Article 370 is revoked, and the fact that this has happened in our lifetime in front of our eyes gives true sense of happiness, satisfaction and sense of pride in every Indian. The only losers today are the politicians of Kashmir who made thousands and thousands of crores for themselves using Article 370, where they enjoyed all the lavishness of life, but the people of Kashmir suffered. It's a win-win situation for Indians and the people of Kashmir, and the reason why I'm saying that are many. Abrogation of 370 will help in curbing terrorism in the valley. Army people can locate the local terrorist organization operational in the valley and uproot them. Not only that, now there will be a better coordination between the local police there and the army man, which will pose a greater threat to the terrorist organization there. You will be surprised to know that before the abrogation of 370, when a Kashmiri girl married an Indian man, her citizenship of Kashmir was cancelled. However, when a Pakistani boy married a Kashmiri girl, he used to get the citizenship of Kashmir. So all these factors only added fuel to fire as far as terrorism is concerned. Now, with the abrogation of 370, such unwanted, unnecessary factors won't be there. What about the social prosperity of the valley? I'm of the view that the valley will prosper socially too. Earlier, there was no fundamental right like right to education. As a result, the literacy rate of the valley suffered. Earlier, they cannot hire teachers from other states, they cannot hire professors from other states. As a result, even the quality of teachers and professors suffered. You will be surprised to know that they cannot even hire doctors from other states. The valley launched Ayushman Bharat, but if there are no capable doctors, then how can the diseases or the Ayushman Bharat programs can get a hit? We're talking about the social prosperity. Now let's talk about the prospects of economic prosperity. The root cause of poverty in the valley is unemployment. Now with the abrogation of 370, new industries will come up, infrastructure will be developed. As a result, jobs will be created. Not only that, there was monopoly in the business in the valley earlier. Those monopolies will no more exist and everyone will get a better chance. We're talking about the economic prosperity. Now let's talk about corruption. This step of government will also help in curbing the corruption that existed in the valley. Let me give you some staggering figures to support my view. Between the year 2000 to 2016, around 10% of the central fund, I reiterate, around 10% of the central fund has been spent to 1% of the population living in Jammu and Kashmir. In the year 2017-18, center spent around 8,000 per person in rest of India, whereas it spent around 27,000 per person in Jammu and Kashmir. However, the condition of people did not improve. The reasons are not hard to guess. RTI has not as yet been implemented in Jammu and Kashmir. Anti-corruption agencies like CAG has not been allowed to operate in Jammu and Kashmir. In our country, so many corruptions come to limelight because of CAG. And what about social amalgamation? I mean interstate marriage. Interstate migration could help us in uniting and integrating like never before. I think this is the biggest of all the advantages that I have mentioned today. Lastly, I would love to end the topic in the words of our Honorable President Ramnath Kovind. He said that this is a big step in nation building and nation welding. This step will go a long way in building the life of the individual, of the family, and the society as a whole in the valley. Thanks a lot.